So as we travel along, you know, say everywhere you go, you have a local souvenir. You have a local shop where you can get a local things. Yes, Father God, give thanks for reach, you know. They're on Jam West Beach. Yeah, man. Out just over there on Negril stretch. You understand? So we reach in the parish of we're there at Ochi. Ochi Royals Fort. Yeah, man.
Because them are street girls.
So you see that? Yeah, man. Outside we reach Negril. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Bless up to you all and blessings. Good morning to you all and welcome back again to Father and Son Lifestyle, you know? Yeah, you know, so we're clean and out. Step on the road again. And we say we're there do one more look piece of vlogging. Yeah, man, so I touch on the western side, yeah? I touch on the Negril side. I drive Ochi side because I don't know, I look at vlogging here though. Yeah, so you understand? Yeah, man, we're there at Captain Kirk in round there. But we stop a bag walk side on the toll to show you this beautiful view of the orange walk. And this is where we get all the orange to make all the orange juice that produce out here in Jamaica. Yeah, man, place nice and lovely, man. So stay tuned, look what I'm going over there. See there? Beautiful, lovely orange walk, you know? Yeah, man, very big, very huge. And in the middle here, you have sugar cane, you know. So you have orange plus sugar cane. Yeah. On the beautiful hill, man. And there's a two side of the road there, you know. Orange and sugar cane. Yeah, man, beautiful. So whole heap of jelly tree up there, you know. So as I say, we're up on the North Highway. Touching at the Ochi first, then touch Montego Bay. We have passed through a lot of parish. So Ochi, St Ann, Trelawney, Montego Bay, Hanover, then Negril. Alright? Yeah, man, that's the thing, man. So big up on yourself and stay tuned for this wonderful vlog that I'm going to bring to you guys. You understand? Yeah, man, whole heap of blessings, man.
I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on, so I keep fighting every day. I don't blame myself for my mistakes. I'm only human. Switch.
In the parish of we're there at Ochi Royals Fort. Yeah, man.
Because them are street girls.
So you see that big carnival sunrise. Big piece of cruise ship over there, you know. Yeah. So that number dock up, guys. So the bus them there and wait for the guests them, you know. That is it, guys, you know. So stay tuned. As I say, Negril. There. One bus. Bus them well line up. Fruits. Alright, yeah, guys, see there. Reach Hanover, you know.
Hanover. over and over.
Welcome to Hanover. Yeah. So we are in the parish of Hanover. So our next sign they wanna put up. Yeah.
Jesus. I need.
Grand Palladium. You know, stop yet, you know? All the way around us are gone, you know? See that? All the way around. Yeah, man, see, we are here in Lewis town. Let's go and take a look at clippings, you know, because remember, I'm not from here, so I don't know it's part police there. See that? Yeah, man. Long time I don't chat them side here. Mickey and Stretch, big up on yourself. Down on the town. That's where the chaps go. Yeah, man, outside we reach Negril side, you know? So we just stay here, yeah, man, the capital of casual. Yeah. Yes, Father God, give thanks for reach, you know. They're on Jam West Beach. Yeah, man. Out just over there on Negril Stretch. You understand? Yeah, man. Restaurant, bar, gift shop. Yeah. So, main entrance, you understand? Yeah, man. Wifey, we are coming here, so. Need that. Yeah, man. Outside we're there and look at music and play, but we're there and watch them roll out, them load up the boat and I go up on the Jam West. To sail up, go have a look of fun, you know? That they just one out this already. I don't want to get loaded up right now. That's the thing there, you know. Man, look at the juice over here. I want to go party, you know.
Yeah, juice right.
Don't know the shops go. See the guys. Yeah, man, outside they are go and do it, you know. Yeah. So as what we say we're up on the Negril side, I walk on the beach. We call this a 7 Mile beach, you know. Yeah, man, you can walk from all the way up there. All the way out there, you know, long walking. So I just catch a youth for a little clippings. Yeah, man. Just show me I gotta do a lot of video. Just showing all around beautiful Jamaica, you know. Welcome to Negril side. Glass bottom boat. Yeah, man. I'm going to play a little ball. Boy, I need for booking. Guys, I need for booking down here. Yeah, man. See there? What you all think? Yep. Stick and steer one, guys. Alright? Alright, so I walk the beach, guys, and look at this. First thing is a up top, me there. Yeah, man. Look here. Respect. Now watch the face. Big up yourself. Who that? Every mickle make a muckle. Yeah, man. All the Jamaican talking. Too many pot. Pan fire. Yeah, man. I like it still, you know? I like it, man. Now watch the face. also say peace, Irie. Watch here. Uh-oh. The whole of the moon, the brighter it shine. It's nice. It's nice. Trust me. Yeah, man. We need some vitamin C. No. Yeah, man. Well, it's a beautiful day, you know? Out here, full jam myself. Yeah, man. Full jam is there. On 7 Mile Beach in Negril. Yeah, man. Life sweet, so. So we have to go on full joy while we last, you know. Because we can't stay long on earth, you know. Yeah, man. Any day God say I'm ready for you, that's your day that. Trust me. That's a part of how we have to. That is how we have to accept things, you know. You know, so one day we'll leave earth. But while life is here, you just go on full joy. Okay, you don't know when sickness is going to take you. You don't know when the trouble will come at you. You know? So big up on yourself, you know. One look and love. Whole heap of love. Whole heap of love. Whole enough blessings to you all. Guys, you know, tell me something. Enough time you talk and make mistake, you know. We know the words, you know. But you see, too, we are doing content, and so many times you will talk and make some mistake. But it's all good. Yeah, man, it's all good, you know. Big up on yourself, man, yeah. So as we chat along, you know, say, everywhere you go, you have a local souvenir. You have a local shop where you can get a local things and care back and foreign, you know. So when you come check in on the beach, see the local shop, the fisherman, lobster pit, curry, steam, roast, grill, etc. You understand? Yeah, man, you have to highlight the people and thing, man. The thing up and running, man. Yeah, man, look good.
Fireman who is a YouTuber, so we are kind of push the channel.
Yeah, man, we do YouTube.
All prices. Start from $40 up.
Yeah, see it? You hear that, guys? From 40 up. So see
the
the, so one day on it there, go and grill for someone, you know? Yeah, man.
Facebook, they have him WhatsApp. And I think, I wonder what Twitter, the one of the two big Google item.
Yeah, man, see the number there, so let's check him out, guys. Fireman Lobster Pit. Cook with love at gmail.com. You understand? Yeah, man, so.
TripAdvisor. Okay, that's TripAdvisor. See they watch us, you know. I should know that thing.
Love that. Love it, you know?
It's nice, it's nice.
Yeah, man.
So, anytime I want to stop by on the day on Negril, come check him out here.
On the beach. Tell them say 7 Mile Beach, you know? Souvenir there right there, so. Yeah, man. Gift shop. See there? 4 t-shirt, $19.99. 4 shots, glasses, $4.99. You see 2 key ring, $4.99. That's not bad. 2 key ring. That's not bad. The 2 key ring the bag. The 2 magnets.
A 5 bills you pay for one, you know.
Yeah. So the $4.99 one. Good.
She say you can come video in here and take a look.
You say we can't come video? We can't come. We have to endorse the thing that we see them, you know, because we love the Jamaican people, you know. So remember saying if you come on 7 Mile Beach and come do a local shopping. The 2 key ring them the bad style. Because we see me go a ferry and a $500 we pay for one, you know. Nice local shop, you see it? So you just come check it out when you come on the Negril strip. 7 Mile Beach, though? Alright, when you come check it out. How them can ask her?
When you come on,
Yeah.
water.
Alright, we water sports, you hear that? Alright. Yeah, man, the shirt them look good too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Please, guys, when you come check it out. Everything lovely right here.
This is where I get the lobster from.
Yeah?
The lobster and the crab.
Lobster, we just video in general, you know, highlight him, you know? Yeah, man, because we have put it up that the people that know so them can come check out the place. Them. And then come here. Yeah, man. So when you here come on the 7 Mile Beach, you can get a souvenir or get a lobster from Fireman. You understand? Yeah, man, that's the thing, man. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, inspire me to do something like this, you know. While I'm there on my channel, you know. They are Negril, so I just take a look walk. And so I go on the Negril strip. Yeah. If anything, one of them there come link me up, man, I could come back down here, man. You do the whole of the stretch. guys, he use a man around for walking 7 miles outside. I do it. Alright, so stay tuned guys. We have a video right there. So. Outside we're there, guys. St Elizabeth. And you must know what this is called. You get all of the bammy and fry fish and all these things. Line could all throw right here, so we could catch 2 fish. Now tell like come like we could catch 2 fish right here, so look at this guy. Take the picture of it, Yeah man, that pretty. Outside where they are doing it. Come for your bammy, a fry fish. Oh God. See me walk up and down and look fry fish. Yeah man, place busy man. Leaving from Negril and come in say, them a look some fry fish. All the soup. Kong soap, how much it? Want a soap, man. Alright guys, so you don't know what stop you have to catch up your stomach, you know. The Kong soap, you understand? Yeah. And I can show you the whole of Kong them, you know. Right now, see Kong them guy. And I tell you like, sell off, you know. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Kong can come now. Yeah, talk about man, we have to get the Kong in our cup, you know. That's that about man.
Scotch cove?
Yeah man, a Scotch cove man, right at the borderline. All over now. Yeah man.
Scotch cove, right at the borderline between
St Elizabeth and Westmoreland. Yeah. I know St Elizabeth man, you know over there now. A regular will pass through man. Regular. Yeah. Put it on the same road boy. So we get that Kong soup, you know. That is it, man. Outside, that's it. So we'll grab a cup of soup.
Alright.
We now use a scoop.
Alright, you hear that? That's the soup there.
So active. Big up on yourself, guys, you know. Whole heap of love to you, guys, you know. Every time. Yeah guys, give thanks for reach home safe, you know. Yeah man, give God the glory. Yeah man, whole heap of driving today. We drive from Kingston, Mantico be a side called Negril, and then we drive on the west, on the south side, coming in. Basically we almost drive out all of Jamaica. Don't go. Parish we not touch is St Thomas, Portland and St Mary. Yeah. So man, today was a lovely day, you know. Enjoy the day, full joy of the day. Yeah man, I know the joy end can reach home. I give God thanks. Reaching safe. Correct. Big up yourself again, you know. Full joy myself, man. Yeah man, holy for blessings, man. And blessings to you all, my viewers and subscribers, you know. Yeah man. Oneness. Be good. Stay good. No chaps though. Big up.